to Pay for Talent. Myself Tarun, I am a talent provider in Pay for Talent. That means I can serve you with my art. And I am studying in 4th year of Computer Science Engineering, and I am from Narsipatnam, a beautiful town in Andhra Pradesh. Coming to my artist journey. Since my childhood, I am so much passionate about my art, and I love to do art. And I have drawn many artworks of so many cartoonic characters, and also landscape arts and animal sketching, and so many imaginary stuff. Once I completed my 10th standard, I focused more on my education and completed my intermediate. And once I stepped into my engineering, I got some spare time. So I started my artwork and also habituated another skill, that is music. And days are moving like that. And once I came into my third year of engineering, I have met with an accident, so that I have to stay at my home. In that time, I have seen all the artwork that I have done in my childhood, and I'm so much happy about it. Why? Because I have memorized all the time that I have spent by doing art in my childhood. And in that span of 2 months, I took it serious, and I draw a lot, like 20 house serious, and also I have learned a lot. So that in the span of 2 months only, people started to recognize me, and they want their portraits to be drawn from me. And I'm so much happy in serving them. And days are moving like that, and I'm improving a lot of skills. Like basically, I have started with graphite artwork and charcoal artwork. I'm a self-taught artist. Yes, I'm a self-taught artist. And then I'm also learning acrylic painting, and also learning the mixed media techniques. And also I'm learning with oil painting. And days are moving like that. After a span of 8 to 9 months or 12 months, my friend preferred this Pay for Talent. And then I have felt somewhat amazed. Why? Because before Pay for Talent, I have a problem that to expand my art, my network in the field of art, and I have no community in the artist, and I am the only person. My friends are not an artist, and I am the only person who do arts. And also I don't know how to marketize my artwork to all over India and to the world. And once I came into my Pay for Talent, first of all I have sent them my arts, and they have seen and qualified me. And once I came into it, I found that there will be a community of artists. Every person wants a community for them who supports them through all the way. Executives and also executive members who are working for me for expanding my artwork, and also executive members who actually take the order from the client and gives to us, so that they are marketizing, and they are taking the orders, and they are giving to me, because there is a lot of time that I have saved, so that in that time that I have saved, I have learned a lot of things. I'm investing into myself by learning a lot of things. And I'm so much happy to be a part of Pay for Talent. Why? Because they are helping me through my artistic journey, and they have given me a beautiful community of artists, and I'm so much happy about it. And thank you Pay for Talent for being part of my journey and taking it.